Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your tech stack with Atlassian, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Atlassian account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Click on the project you want to secure. Locate the project settings option in the sidebar. Select permissions to access user roles and access levels. Review the current permissions set for each user. Adjust permissions to ensure only necessary users have access. Consider implementing two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. Go to the User Management section. Add or remove users as needed to maintain proper oversight. Next, open the Security Settings tab. Enable the Password Policies feature. Set requirements for password complexity and expiration. Regularly update these policies to match best practices. Now, return to the main dashboard. Access the Apps section to integrate other security tools. Look for third-party security apps that complement your Atlassian tools. Install and configure these apps according to your organization's needs. Incorporate regular security audits into your routine. Schedule these audits monthly or quarterly to stay proactive. Encourage team members to complete security training. Reinforce the importance of following security protocols. Finally, document your security practices. Keep this documentation accessible for all team members. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your tech stack with Atlassian. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.